For today's video, I'll demonstrate how to unblock websites on a school Chromebook. First, you have to open your internet browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Next, navigate to the Privacy and Security section on the left-hand menu and click on Third-Party Cookies. Change this option to Allow Third-Party Cookies. Afterward, clear your browsing data by selecting Clear Browsing Data, ensuring it's set to all time, and tick all three boxes for browsing history, cookies, and cache images. Click Clear Data to proceed. Now go back to Settings and click on Security. Scroll down and select Advanced. Look for Manage Device Certificates and click on it to open a new window. In the Advanced Settings, ensure that the Client Authentication box is ticked. If not, tick it. Then press OK and close the window, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.